Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set the wallpaper in this device. Simply go to settings. So here you can see the option wallpaper and style. Tap on this one. Tap on the option change wallpaper. So you can see some folders. You can see the featured wallpapers you can see. If you tap on this one, you can see all the featured photos. Now if you want to set a wallpaper from your gallery, then here you can see one option gallery. You can select any photo from your gallery. So you can create the wallpaper with AI. You can see the option graphical colors you can see. So from here you can select any one from here. So here I am going to select this one. Okay, after select the wallpaper, tap on done. You can see changes applied to lock screen also. You can see the wallpaper is changed. On the lock screen also you can see the wallpaper is changed. So simply in this way we can change the wallpaper in this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.